Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you something very interesting. Do you know that you're able to download and install Twitch app on your PC? If you don't know how to do it, don't worry about it. In this video I'm gonna show you how, and trust me, it's very easy and simple. Everyone can do it, even the boomers. Actually, do boomers use Twitch? I don't know, I don't care. In this video you're gonna learn how, and trust me, that's gonna be a very quick tutorial. So let's move on point. Here is how to do it. First, open Google Chrome on your PC and now search for Twitch app like this and click on the first link. And about the questions, is it a scam? Is it a virus? No, as you can see, that's the official site of Twitch. That means there's no virus, there's no scams. So if you have a Mac, you can download. You're able to download it from Mac, and if you have a Windows, you're able to do it from Windows. Sorry about the Linux. We don't have. They haven't created yet for a Linux. So let's download it for Windows. And as you can see, now it's downloading, but I've already downloaded because I don't want to waste your time. So let me show how it would appear when you click on it. It will appear like this window, just click on run, wait a few seconds, and here we go. Here is the Twitch app. So now you need to enter your username, let's Niki, your password, and that's it. And sometimes they need they need your email, so they'll send a code to your email, and when you go there to your email, just tap the code and you'll be in. So trust me, it's 100% working. I just don't want to show my email and don't want to join to check it out this code. So trust me, it's 1% working. It's from the official site. It's no way to be a scam or to be some virus. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate or ashamed to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.